Hi everyone,
Over 50 slots.
and we are toasting in the Friday. Yay, it's Friday.
Friday.
And we're doing a little series of Friday videos.
Bucket list.
Bucket List Friday. And we're going to be putting $25 into the slot machine.
Minimum bet.
Minimum bet.
And the goal is met when we get...
Well, we have a goal for each slot machine. The first slot machine we're starting with is our favorite.
Yes, Dancing Drums Explosion.
Dancing Drums Explosions. And the goal that we have is we want to get we have to get the bonus first. When we get the bonus,
We pick mystery.
Mystery. Because I love a man with mystery.
And we pick mystery. We continue playing this every Friday until we get...
The maximum number of spins with the maximum number of lines. So it doesn't have to be the gold drum bonus, but it has to be the maximum we can get for that bonus. So like if it's the regular bonus, I think it's 6x5 for the regular one with 15 spins. And then the gold one would be 8x5, I believe, with 15 spins. So we're so excited.
Good luck.
Good luck. Happy Friday.
Happy Friday.
Yum. Okay, Dancing Drums Explosion. We got $25 in, and this is session 1 at 88 cents a bet. Oh, the volume's all the way up. There's no volume. Oh, so close.
Oh, what I just noticed, I don't have my glasses.
I just noticed for losing. This might be really short.
We knew this was going to be a typical challenge.
Well, I thought we might get a little line hit. Come on, Dancing Drums, be nice.
15 cents. Get it?
Oh, we got chips, $3. Yay!
Yay!
The only thing, because Heidi and Fred from the Slot Cats would say. Oh, one off. Come on, drums. Close it. Nope. We need drums, drums, drums. Yes, I got the gold one.
You got it!
Okay, here we go. We're gonna find mystery and see what it gives us. Come on, mystery. Oh yeah, and I get it upgraded.
Yes, you do.
Okay. Come on, 8x5, 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 8x5. Oh no, 5x5, 15, 15, 15. 3. Oh, that's not good. Please retrigger.
That's the opposite of what
Please
we wanted.
retrigger. Please retrigger. Oh no, last chance. Retrigger. Oh my god, we got nothing. 440. Oh well. Maybe it'll do it again as a sympathy bonus.
Maybe. That was a
Maybe.
good attempt though, honey.
Oh, thank you. I appreciate that. Oh.
Unfortunately, session 1's going to be things not to do.
Yeah, why not to do? Why not to pick mystery? Oh, you got some ink got. A little bit.
good, that's
Money
good.
back. And I got less than you got.
It's keeping us going though.
Oh, money tree.
Oh.
Come on, let's do the drums again. Nope. Down to $10.
Oh, come on.
Oh, we need some line
You
hits.
can do it. You can do it.
Drum. Oh. Drum. It's Greg's turn to get drum. Oh, yay, I got 50 cents.
Oh.
You got 25 cents. Woo.
If we don't celebrate the little wins, we're not gonna.
Yeah, I've been having fun. Probably shouldn't be gambling. Oh, there was my gold drum. Oh, I almost had 5. Uh-oh.
It's an SG game. It's not a risk.
Could be our last spin. Oh, last spin. And that's it.
That's it.
That was the
Well,
end of the first session. We
yep.
got a bonus, but it did not pay. And, well, maybe session 2 will be better. We'll see.
We'll see. All right.
Thanks for watching.